Blackberry is bleeding profusely, struggling to stay afloat amidst the competition. By now, it's quite obvious that they're no longer the trailblazing company they once were, so they've tried to reinvent themselves with devices and a new platform to keep up with the times. From the all-touchscreen Z10 to its redefined QWERTY in the Passport, there's no arguing that Blackberry has been experimenting a lot in order to find that right form factor. Unfortunately, none of them have been able to make a significant impact on consumers. Enter the Blackberry Classic, an old-school berry that employs an iconic design. Indeed, it's a modern spin on a classic, but is it something that'll really bring back consumers to Blackberry Circle? The package contains microSD charging cable, wall charger, stereo headphones, owner's manual, processor and memory. Despite the outdated processor, it's still an effective piece of silicone to power through most things. The Blackberry Classic is a modern spin on a timeless classic, but it's almost shocking to find it being powered by an outdated piece of silicon under the hood, a dual-core 1.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 MSM8960 processor coupled with 2 GB of RAM and the Adreno 225 GPU. Yes, it's certainly behind the times, but we can't complain about the decision because the phone, for the most part, operates in a responsive manner. From opening apps, switching between them, there's very little we can complain about, though. Don't think about playing too many games with this one. Internally, Blackberry has outfitted the Classic with an ample 16 GB of internal storage, which can be supplemented thanks to its microSD card slot.